Good day to you, ma'am, and to each and everyone. By the way, my name is Mary Rose Ferrer from Mulabi, Zamboanga del Sur. I am from BSIT 1A, and now I am going to report my topics. Now, to start my report, let me ask you one question. What is e-commerce business? So, the term electronic commerce or e-commerce refers to a business model that allows companies and individuals to buy and sell goods and services over the internet. So, what are the business application of e-commerce? E-commerce is conducted using a variety of applications such as email, online catalog, and shopping carts, electronic data interchange or EDI, the file transfer protocol, and web services, mobile devices. Here are the top examples of e-commerce. There are some pretty major examples of e-commerce businesses that have made it big, including Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, and Myntra. What is the anatomy of e-commerce? The anatomy of e-commerce application is a client-server architecture in e-commerce, or the all e-commerce application follow the client-server model. The client-server model allows the client to interact with the server through the request-reply sequence governed by the paradigm known as message passing. So, what do you mean by electronic payment system in e-commerce? An e-payment system is a way of making transaction or paying for goods and services through an electronic medium without the use of checks or cash. It's called electronic payment system or online payment system. So, there are the types of electronic payment system. There are different types of e-commerce payments that we use today. Like for example, credit card. Credit card is the most popular form of payment for e-commerce transactions that is through credits or crediting your payment into credit card. Debit card. Debit card are the second largest of e-commerce payment medium in India. Smart card, e-wallet, net banking, mobile payment, or Amazon Pay. So another one, what is e-commerce website? An e-commerce website allows you to buy and sell tangible goods, digital products, or services online. It is a trade that can barter or exchange buying and selling of goods and services that has been prevalent for centuries. So, what are the parts of e-commerce website? E-commerce website design is an essential element that helps you to increase your online sales. Like for example, customer name, bestseller product on homepage, product collections, and zoom option for pictures. That was the example of e-commerce through website. Another thing, what is business e-commerce of consumer application? E-commerce of consumer application, it is the buying and selling of goods and services or the transmitting of funds or data over the electronic network, primarily the internet. So, there are four types of consumer-oriented application for e-commerce. There are B2C or business to consumer, B2B, business to business, C2B, consumer to business, and C2C, consumer to consumer. Let's talk about B2C. So what it is? B2C is business to consumer e-commerce. It is also called retail e-commerce. It is a business model that involves sale between online business and consumers. Another one was B2B. What is B2B? It is a transaction or business conducted between one business and another, such as wholesaler and retailer. B2B transaction tend to happen in the supply chain where one company purchases raw material from one another to be used in the manufacturing process. The third one was C2B. C2B is a consumer to business. It is the individual as a consumer creates value for company. Thus, users provide service to companies. The fourth one was C2C or the consumer to consumer. It is the relation between consumers facilitating transaction between individuals. What is e-commerce organization? So, e-commerce organization, it is the unit of organizational structure with which a company operates its online business. The basic parameters and requirements for this organizational unit are usually defined within the framework of an e-commerce distribution strategy or the individual channel strategies.